Hello everyone, Tesaks here, and welcome to my devlog. Last week I talked about animations and projectiles, and I wanted to fix all the issues, add spell visuals and test talents. But I also got some common cold, so please bear with me. What game am I talking about? Well, about Game Defenders, of course. My story-driven match-free game with Devlog reference and RPG elements for Android and PC that I've been working on for the last year or so. Last week I started with the last few bugs I knew about. These were generally just small things except for one. You see, the game is mainly about matching games, and with it helping your heroes to fight the foes. So, if you try to match wrong games, the game should return these back, and while the games are moving, the player input should be turned off. This worked, but if you time it just right, you could exploit a bug that allows you to move games indefinitely, like this. It was easy fix once I found out what was causing it, and then I could move on to other stuff. I mentioned spell visuals. I've been delaying this since December 2021, but probably longer. And because so far I've been unlocking spells with developer cheat, I had to add spell unlock first, and I implemented this a while ago, but I never added triggers for it. The idea is that all the spells will be unlocked via talents, and now that I already finished talents, all that was missing was adding these triggers. And done. It works as well. Up next, I wanted to make all the spells effects or visuals, but I wanted to do it properly this time. No placeholders, which means I should test on something smaller first. And for that reason, I added some combat effects, basic handler script, triggers, and done. Now, when any character is attacked, the game spawns sparks or blood. This depends on the amount of damage and character armor value. And with that, it's finally time to add spell effects. So I started working on that, created one spell effect for them all, and tested. It wasn't that straightforward as I expected, and it took me some time to make the very first spell effect even works. And that's when I ran out of time. This all literally took me the whole week, so easy. I'll finish this during weekends, right? Well, I really wanted to, but my life got in the way. So it's still not finished today, unfortunately. So yeah, I guess it's the goal for this week now, as well as some text polishing and releasing beta version for the Game Defenders to beta testers. And I hear you asking about the correct games. Yeah, this feature is still coming, it just needs to be implemented properly, and I don't want it to interfere with the first closed beta test, as I need other stuff to be tested first. It's on the same level as Endless Game Mode, it's coming as well, but later, during closed beta phase. But hey, it's time to end this video, but not before weekly challenge. Last week I literally challenged you to take a well-deserved break. Did you take a break? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, I've been learning a lot about Unity animations and effects last week, and I also learned quite a lot about animations in general, and I rediscovered old hobby of mine. I used to make short animated videos all the way back in 2005, when I was still on elementary school. My challenge to you guys is to give it a try. If you are working on a game as well, make your own animation for the main character, or maybe some item. Depends on what you need animated right now. If you are not working on a game, maybe give it a try in some graphics editor like Krita, OpenToons, Cinefig, or if you know how to work with Blender in Blender. And you may find out that it's actually pretty fun. But now it's time to end this video. All the usual links to my released games, Instagram, Facebook and Discord server are in the description. Be sure to check these out to join me on my game dev journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and until next Monday, see ya!